Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs, just like your favorite fast food restaurant. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a small pat of butter. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan ready, as this is key for the perfect texture. Preparing your space beforehand makes the whole process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now for the secret to those wonderfully fluffy eggs. Crack your 2 large eggs into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. This small addition makes a big difference in texture. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until it's a light yellow color and slightly frothy. Be careful not to overmix, as that can lead to tough eggs. A gentle, consistent whisk is all you need for a tender, airy result. Next, let's perfect the cooking process. Heat your nonstick pan over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked egg mixture. As the eggs begin to set, gently push the cooked edges towards the center with a spatula. Continue this gentle motion, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Cook until the eggs are just set and still slightly moist, avoiding any browning. The final step is all about timing. Remove the eggs from the heat just before they are completely set. They should still look a little wet. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to perfection, ensuring they remain incredibly tender. Transfer them immediately to a plate and serve them fresh for the best taste and texture. Now you have delicious, restaurant-style scrambled eggs ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.